make this glowing effect, in Photoshop, first add your text under the table. I already done that. Now make a copy of the text layer. Turn off the eye icon of the copied text so it stays hidden. Select the original text layer and go to blending options. Inside the blending options, go to stroke. Here you can select and experiment with different stroke colors such as black, white or red to achieve the look you want. Note these settings and make the adjustment. After that, go to outer glow, select red color for it. Select opacity 80. Reduce noise. Note other settings. Eye on the copied text layer and go to blending options and select inner glow. Choose the color red. Set the blend mode to hard light and change contour. Adjust the size to around 8 or 9 and keep the rest of the settings as they are. Now go to outer glow. Set the size to 38 and note down the rest of the settings. After this, select the background layer and go to layer settings. Choose hue saturation and set the saturation value to 100. Turn back. Then go to layer setting again. Select photo filter. Select the color dark blue. And set the density to 92 or 100. Turn off the option Preserve Luminosity. Change the opacity of the photo filter layer to 72%. Now, go to Layer Settings, select Solid Color and select Black. Change the blending mode to Soft Light. Set the opacity to 42%. Next, press Shift to select these 3 layers and make a group. Turn off the eye icon for this group. Now, select the background layer. Choose the selection tool, then go to the lasso tool and make a selection of the table. After selecting, press Ctrl1 to invert the selection and create a mask. Once the mask is created, hold Ctrl and turn on inverse, or simply go to the select menu and choose inverse. Now, go to hue saturation in the layer settings and set the saturation to 92. From here, you can adjust any colors that look perfect on table as look like glowing text shadow effect. Finally, change the blending mode to overlay, and that's it. Now, our glowing text effect is ready. Subscribe Neto Doc for more interesting Photoshop tutorial videos.